Okay, finding studs. I got a little stud buddy here. The reason why I went to the magnetic stud buddy is because every time you grab the electronic one, can you really trust it? It always seems like it's finicky. The battery might be bad and they just break. They're just unreliable. So let's talk about finding studs. You just look at your wall and start looking for indications. So you have an electrical outlet right here, and behind the sheetrock there is going to be an electrical box. So there's definitely going to be a stud here or here. Let's go looking for some studs. So go slow with your stud buddy here, and you should be able to feel some magnetic pull. Like I just felt it. I got some magnetic pull. So I know there's a screw right there. So that is going to be a stud. Okay. And then 16 inches over. 16 inches over. I can tell right now that 16 inches over is on this side of this outlet, and that kind of makes sense. So I got a stud right here. That's good. So now we know we got a stud right here. We'll find the sheetrock screw. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is.
That thing's strong.
No, awesome. This stud buddy. Alright. Gotcha. Okay. And then 16 inches over, we're going to have another one. Right now we're trying to figure out our backing. How long are we going to cut our backing board, right? And we know that this is the side of our unit. So we're going to do a little bit of counter levering. So we're going to cut our backing from here all the way to this side of this stud right here. So we know that we got good anchor here, we got good anchor here, and we're going to be counter levering a little bit here. So
famous brain surgeon has to leave his lump, and the high-priced model has to stop for a dump. But can the sides of Canada can't spray away the truth? Cause even if they don't admit it, everybody poops. Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more than two. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Some days it's easy, other days it's hard. But if your system's working, thank your lucky stars. Nobody talks about it, not a word is said. If you're not pooping, then it means you're probably dead. The destitute and homeless have to do it, it's true. But even on the